Hello guys, I'm selling mold to make your own concrete beehive like this. This is a concrete beehive made by my own mold, which I'm selling the mold. The benefit of it, after buying the mold, I think you can make your own beehive as many as you like. The thing you will require is cement. For you to have this full beehive, whereby it consists from this and this is the base, and this is the soup, and that's one there is the lid. To have a complete beehive, it will cost you half cement bag. That's it. The benefit, it's a permanent structure mazee, hata kinyeshewa nini cost effective. Na another benefit mazee ni it cannot be broken by honey bagger. Honey bagger cannot break it because it's heavy. Yeah. If you're interested with the mold, kindly DM me.